President of Ecuador has imposed a state of emergency in the country over concerns that a volcano might erupt. President Rafael Correa says it's important to prepare by mobilising the necessary financial means and concentrating other resources. The 5,000-metre snow-capped volcano lies around 50 kilometres from the capital. It's been active for days and has already produced explosions and spewed ash and grey clouds into the sky. Several villages near the volcano have been evacuated.